Hello and welcome back. In today's video we're going to show how to remove the frontal bumper of a Ford Fusion 2011. At this point I leave the car, I have my jack stands. I am doing this because I want to have more space to work beneath the car, just to make this more comfy, but you don't really need to do that. Okay, we're going to start removing these plastic clips at the top of the lights. Now we're going to remove these screws. I'm going to start with these four. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it's turn for this clip and this one as well. And here at the top we're done, and then as a summary there were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plastic clips and 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. Now it's time to go beneath the car and do something similar. Okay, now in the lower part of the bumper there are 10 screws and we need to remove all of them. Okay, in the side of the bumper, close to the frontal tire, there are 3 plastic clips. There is missing one here, but should be 3. So we need to take them off as well. And we're gonna do the same in both sides. We have missing here 1, 2, but in your case, if your car is complete, there will be 3. Now what we're gonna do is just pull out the bumper. Just be careful, don't break it. And finally, now we can take it off. And that's it. If you like the video, please click on like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks again.